Hello everyone. Can a small kitchen seed help control blood sugar, improve digestion, and support overall health? So maybe these kind of benefits allow you to understand the seeds very much in a better sense. Fenugreek seeds, these are not just an Indian spice, but they are powerful example of chemistry working inside our body. So hi everyone, I'm not here as an expert in a lab. I'm here as a learner just like you, discovering the chemistry hidden in everyday using kitchen ingredients. What exactly makes the fenugreek seeds more effective? Today's discussion goes around these seeds. So let's get go without wasting any time further. Firstly, the let's discuss about the chemistry, which is my goal to explain you that. So fenugreek seeds have scientific name is Trigonella fenugreecum. As from if you don't have any bio background, don't need to remember this, memorize this. But yes, you need to understand its basic name. Right? So are rich in several important natural compounds. One of these is diastenin. This is compound basically maintain the overall health function. So this is the one component present in it. Another is 4-hydroxyisoleucine, which helps the body to manage the blood sugar level. That compound is responsible to maintain your sugar level. So these kind of chemical names, whenever you are having some nutrients or any prescription given by doctors, you can check over there. Such kind of chemical knowledge helps you to understand what kind of the activity actually this drug gonna do with you, right? So fenugreek seeds, it also contain galactomannan, which is a soluble fiber that control your slow down your digestion and improve your gut health. Another thing is there is a presence of alkaloid, that is trigonelline, which is responsible for the medicinal properties of fenugreek seeds. Together, all these compounds make fenugreek seeds very effective for supporting your digestion, regulating your blood sugar, or improving your overall health. That's the chemistry behind it. But yes, I just want to explain the day-to-day usage of this, why we use that, why we feel that it is more effective. Actually, it has so many benefits. Firstly, it controls your blood sugar level, which is due to, if you want to recall that, which chemical is responsible for that, that is 4-hydroxyisoleucine. This controls your blood sugar level and improve your overall heart health. Right. Another enzyme is galactomannan, which is responsible for improve your digestion, which further helps you to manage your weight. Right. Another is compound is trigonella that helps you. It has an anti-inflammatory or as antioxidant. It improves your overall health. Apart from that, for women, it has special significance that it maintains the hormones in the woman's body. So it somehow improves your reproductive health, right? Now another question comes to your mind that this spice is too much benefits, but somehow we are not able to consume some seeds or some spices as such. So we have to follow some rules in order to extract the maximum nutrients out of it. So for fenugreek, what usually composition suggested is the half tablespoon around it for the whole day. If you are want to improve your overall health, not more than that. Otherwise, it give you some drawbacks as well. So to get those nutrients, firstly you need to soak the fenugreek seeds for overnight so that it becomes softer and easier to digest for your body. Because sometimes when we consume this raw material like that, it's really hard for our intestines to get nutrients out of it, right? Another thing you can do is you can use it in your cooking, day-to-day cooking. I usually prefer to have us whenever we use cumin with the oil, we saute, add few seeds of a fenugreek too as well, right? Another thing you can do is having fenugreek water, methi water. We call it as a methi water in the morning, especially when you start your day. So it's usually suggested by the nutritionist by having a hot water because fenugreek seeds leave their bitterness into it, and afterwards, when we consume this hot water, it's easier for our body to digest it, right? Another thing you can do is make a powder of it and use that powder as a in whatever form you want to, whether you want to use in a cooking or you want to have a methi water, these kind of. So making powder somehow we are able to improve its activity, enzymic activity. Yes, that's all about that fenugreek seeds. I feel that this is not just a kitchen ingredient. I think this is a magical power box. This is a powerful combination of a natural compounds that could support your sugar level or digestion or improve your overall health. So that's really a beneficial compound. As we know that by adding chemistry stuff into it, I'll just try to connect you with that knowledge of that scientific knowledge, which I feel that helpful to you. Apart from that, if you feel that these kind of videos will help you to understand your kitchen life or your day-to-day life even more better, then please like, share, or subscribe this channel. I also love to hear from you that which kitchen ingredient should you want me to explore next. Because I feel that after spending so many years in teaching chemistry in a professional lab set environments where I'll do my lab work or teaching or giving knowledge about the natural compounds, but actually we are able to understand those natural compounds in a regular day-to-day settings. So I felt that it's really a good thing to bring that knowledge into our everyday life. Through these efforts, I just aim to connect the chemistry with the real life experiences by making learning even more practical, meaningful, and easy to understand. It's about combining knowledge with the daily living so that chemistry is not just studied but truly experienced. So I feel that this is kind of a tribute I'll give it to chemistry for uh, benefiting me for almost last 10 to 12 years. So this is a kind of a tribute to my subject or my knowledge. I hope this knowledge will help see you to make up your mind towards these kind of ingredients or give you confidence to use them in a regular basis. Thank you so much for being connecting with me and listen my video or content very patiently. Thank you so much guys. Have a wonderful day ahead.